turned off of Georgia Highway 156, but I'm not sure what this road is, but this will take us over the Oostanala River right down here. And then we'll turn right up here at this farm that has the pumpkins and sunflowers. And, you know, the sunflower buckets for 20 bucks, entry fee 15 bucks, corn maze. Really nice venue, just a little more expensive than I'd like to pay. But these farmers, you know, they have huge expenses. I'm not going to knock it because I don't know anything about farming. They've got to make a living. Our farmers are under assault. They need all the help they can get. Real interesting sky. We'll be turning right up here, taking the little Georgia back road over to Georgia 53. This is what? I couldn't see. The farm is right here on the right, the gate's right there. Looks like the gate's open. This little road is prone to flood too. The creek runs right next to it here. A lot of these roads up here in North Georgia, you'd think up the mountains at a higher elevation aren't prone to flood, but it's just exactly the opposite. These roads follow the valley bottoms with the creek beds, and they're the ones most likely to flood. Y'all can hear that whining up from that little deer. Two deer crossing. I don't know if it's a hydro boost or the power steering pump. Both of them make noise. I'm thinking if I replace that power steering pump, that may take care of it. Now, I had a very difficult time finding a hydro boost for this thing. You run this VIN number. Chevrolet shows it, of course, but Chevrolet and GM, but you can't get the part. It's discontinued years ago. And the other parts stores, they show a vacuum brake booster instead of a hydro boost. I ended up getting a 98 G3500 or 3500 series van hydro boost. I got 3 before that. One would either be a little bit shorter or the way it connected onto the brake pedal was a little different. You would think they make one for a lot of different uses, and I'm sure they do. I said this one was for a 98 3500. Both the Hydro Boost and the power steering pump are guaranteed for life. I can get a new Hydro Boost from, I think it was O'Reilly, take it back. I may or may not get the new power steering pump from Napa. I don't think they have our stuff in the computer. Their warranty is, you know, lifetime warranty, but you've got to keep your receipt. And I was very good about that for a while, but haven't been as good lately. Okay, let's turn this back off. We'll be coming up on 53. And we'll work our way over to the Loves and Buc-ee's. See which one. We get 10 cents a gallon off at Loves. We don't get anything off at Buc-ee's, so we'll see what the price of gas is. we're about, I think we make about a tenth of the cost. Maybe not even a tenth. Maybe 1/20th. Maybe about 5%. We go in the hole big time. I don't know if it'll ever pay out. Hey, this is US 41. These logistics centers, warehouses, they're everywhere. Apartments, townhomes, cluster communities are going in. I went through one up here in Calhoun a couple months ago. If y'all haven't seen it, it's a investor-owned rental detached home subdivision. Developers are buying land, developing, building, and renting, not selling. To the right there was Old Dixie Highway, which was old US 41. Buc-ee's. More than likely we'll get gas at Lowe's, because we get 10 cents a gallon off on every gallon at Lowe's. But we will pull through Buc-ee's anyway. Tankers over there filling up the tanks. I didn't see the gas price at Love's. I didn't look. I was looking over here at Buc-ee's. And Buc-ee's is making I'm pretty sure, a car wash here on the left. There, hauling two classic cars, a 67 SS and a 69 SS Camaro. 67 SS, or is that 66? We look at the hood and I'll tell you. A 67 and a 69 SS, looked like 350. I had a 69 SS Camaro 396 that I ordered from the factory. $3,569. Sold it in 74 for $1,250. Did 54,000 miles on it. Okay, let's ride on over to Love's. was, I guess, Windstar. Get 10 cents a gallon off on gas, and we may get a free coffee. Get a refill that loves. We'll get a large refill, and we may get it free. Gas is $3.09, so we'll get it for $2.09. I think they finally got the app fixed where I can scan my barcode here at the pump. For a long time, you had to go in and scan the barcode, then come out and pump. But I think they have that fixed now. So we're going to fill up and hit our odometer, so we'll know how far we go. Gas gauge is fouling up on this thing some now too. This van's just falling apart piece by piece.